So this idea of getting into the new year, in the new environment, into the new life, it should bring a new level of determination, due to new level of enthusiasm in our lives. If it does not bring any change in our lives, any level of enthusiasm, any level of determination, and we only value this new year up to the level of just saying, greeting each other with the new year, then we are wasting our time. Because it was in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's control that whatever number of days that He was supposed to give us life, that if our life was, for example, that many thousand days, that many thousand months, so whatever that life was, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could continuously give us life of days and the nights. Nothing would change, no months would come, no years would come, and our life would end. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, His works are full of wisdom. Everything that He does is full of wisdom. So our life, He has made our life into cycles. The minimum cycle we have is a cycle of a day and night. We see this change every day. And then it cycles into the weeks. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that He has made 7 days of the week. So that cycles. And then the month cycles. And after 12 months, the year cycles. And when the year cycles, we see so many different changes that happen throughout the year. And it gives us a lesson. It gives us a lesson that how things grow and how things finish their lifespan and they end. And then the next things grow and they finish their lifespan and they end. In the changing of the days and night, there is a lesson for us. For every night there is a day. After the long nights, when there is darkness, we see there is a day. And when there is a full bright day, everybody is benefiting from this day. Eventually that benefiting day and the daylight also ends and it turns into the night. And after every week we see a lesson. And after every year we see how the months changed, how so many people that were here with us last year are not present with us anymore, how some people were successful and how some people were in a loss. So this all gives us a lesson and tells us to prepare for ourselves and ponder in our own lives, what are we intend to do with our own lives. So this new year should come with a new enthusiasm, how we can please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this new year, and how we can change our lives towards the good. See, in our lives, in our daily routine, we have so many schedules that we have made for our worldly life. So we also have to we also have to give a schedule to our life that's going to help in our akhirah. How we can change our behavior, how we can change our akhlaq, how we can mold ourselves into a form which is going to be loved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and which is going to put us in the right path. So this is the new month, this is the new year that gives us an opportunity to think into these lines.